Summertime is finally here, and one thing that comes with summer equals heat waves. And kids and heat waves don't mix well together, but I think if you have a paddling pool, it's great. But one thing I actually dislike is when paddling pools have these marks of, I don't know, whatever is on them. So I use my favorite product of all to get rid of those marks and make sure that the paddling pool is clean. So I use a Dishmatic with hot water and washing up liquid. That's my go-to product to remove like dust, mud, a bit of mold, whatever would have been collecting over the previous year or during winter. So I love using a Dishmatic, using that with, like I said, washing up liquid, or sometimes if things are too bad, I use the pink stuff, the cream cleaner. I think that works really, really well, especially like when it's like tough mud or whatever would have been from the previous summer and it's not been cleaned properly. Give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the shorter style videos, because now I just probably give you 4 to 5 minutes worth of videos. Let me know in the comment section below if you prefer those or you prefer longer ones. I'm now just going to rinse off the washing up liquid and the pink stuff. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section below what you use to clean all the summer paddling pool stuff, because you know kids definitely need a paddling pool when it's really hot, especially like I said when there's a heat wave, and it's an opportunity to get the kids to play outside and be outside a little bit more. Also, let me know in the comment section below how you actually store or keep your paddling pools for throughout the winter and you get them out the following year. So please let me know in the comment section below the best way to keep them stored and ready to use the following year. Let me know in the comment section below what your summer plans are as well. I need to know what you guys are going to be up to. And if you have any requests for videos during summer, please let me know and I'll do my best to get them done for you. Okay.
When's Philippa coming? When she's done training? When she's done training?
So I actually did not plan on doing all of these, but I just found myself doing it. But yeah, things that you do for kids, hey. So I love the Dishmatic and I love just doing things outside because it's summer, and I also enjoy the heat, and the sun does, does kill all the bacteria and it's perfect for air drying. So I would advise to obviously let your paddling pools air dry, and yeah, let the sun do its magic. And of course pack away when you're no longer using them to avoid mold building up. So I'm also now going to do the cover of the paddling pool. This has got quite a lot of mud on it, so what I've decided to do is just like got water all over it, and then use my Dishmatic again, which has got washing up liquid and a bit of the pink stuff, cream cleaner, and I'm just going to work around everything basically. But you'll see certain parts have actually got a lot of mud. And I put the cover on top of a table, a little picnic table, and I'm just gonna rotate all the way around to make sure that all the parts get cleaned. So like I mentioned before, it's got quite a bit of mud on it, so pouring water all over it just to soften it up, and then go with the Dishmatic with washing up liquid works very, very well. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm gonna do my best to give you more content, a little bit longer or a little shorter compared to, depending on what you guys want. But until then, I will see you on the next one. You enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.